Today's video is gonna be about toothpaste. I've been wanting to try out this recipe for quite a while now, and I actually did a few months ago while I was traveling, and it worked out quite well, so I want to try it again. I am slowly getting into all this zero waste kind of stuff or topic, and yeah, I just want to make small changes to help the environment. So this one's gonna be a very easy and quick recipe for your own toothpaste, so let's get started. All you need for the recipe is coconut oil, some drops of peppermint essential oil, and baking soda. I've got this little jar here for my future toothpaste. It's just a normal face cream that I once used, and I kept the jar, which is about the perfect size for my toothpaste. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just combine the ingredients, which is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 'So you just saw me making the recipe, and I'm obviously gonna try it out for you guys. So I got my toothpaste on here, and we're just gonna try it out. So far, so good. So I just came back from brushing my teeth with my new DIY toothpaste, and I gotta say, I'm impressed. So yeah, I'm glad I tried it out again, and I will definitely keep you guys updated on it. My teeth do look very white, actually. Let's see how it is in a couple weeks. I'm also gonna let you know how long this is gonna last. But what I like about this toothpaste is it contains ingredients that I use for many different things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely post some more in the next few weeks because I really want to get into zero waste. I also just want to say that of course it will take some time to transition because it feels completely different. It's not as foamy as normal toothpaste, and you don't even have that much in your mouth. But it cleans it very well, and you've got an actual fresh feeling after. So yeah, you just gotta give it a try and see how it works for you. If it does, cheers to you, because you're helping the planet, you're saving plastic, and that's cool. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!